Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on the password reset protect function on Twitter. This added security feature helps protect your account by adding an extra layer of verification in case someone tries to reset your password. So, let's get started on securing your Twitter account. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, go to Settings and Privacy by tapping on the Settings and Support. Tap Security and Account Access. Now tap on Security. Look for the password reset protection and tap on the toggle box to turn it on. Now type in your current password and tap on OK. And that's how you can turn on the password reset protect function on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.